Zeros of a function, x and y intercepts. What is the equation of the x-axis? What is the equation of this line? Y equals 0. What do all the points on the x-axis have in common? Y is equal to 0. All the y's are equal to 0. The solution to a graph of a linear function is the zero of the function, or the x value of the x-intercept, where the graph touches the x-axis. So here in this first example, we have the graph y equals 2x plus 4. And in order to determine the solution, the zero of the function, or the x-intercept, we're going to look at where it intersects the x-axis, and it intersects it at -2. So the solution, we can call it the solution, we can call it a zero of the function, or we can call it the x-intercept. So go ahead and try the next three. So here are our answers. X is equal to -4, the solution, the zero, and the x-intercept. Three names for the same thing. And then we had -3 for the next example and 2 for the other example. So how's the algebra and the graph related? If I have the function f of x equal to 2x minus 6, and I wanted to find the solution, the zero of the function, or the x-intercept, I would set the function, the f of x, which we can also, in this instance, this is y. We could set the y to 0 and solve for x, and we get 3. So that would be our solution, our zero of the function, our x-intercept. If we graphed it, we would see that the graph is touching at 3. All right, solve the following equations algebraically, then verify by graphing on the calculator. So I want the solution, the zero of the function, the x-intercept. So what is x when y is 0? So we have 0 is equal to 5x minus 20. Add 20 to both sides. And then divide by 5. X is equal to 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So our solution is 4. We could also call it the zero of the function, or we could call it the x-intercept. And if you wanted to verify that, go ahead and graph it. And then go ahead and try number 2, 3, and 4. So number 2, 5 is the answer, number 3 is 7, and number 4 is 16. So find the x and y intercepts of the equation, then graph. Well, what is x? The x-intercept is really find x when y is 0. So if y is 0, -3 times 0 is 0. We really just have 5x is equal to -15. So x is equal to -3. So the x-intercept is -3. All right. The y-intercept, what is y when x is 0? So 5 times 0, so I have -3y equals -15. And if I divide by -3, y is equal to 5. So my y-intercept is 5. That's right there. And then I draw my line. So go ahead and try number 6. All right, the next page, x and y intercepts. Let's go ahead and try that page 1 through 9. Go ahead and do those.